Programming your 2004-2010 Toyota Sienna key fob is a task you can often do yourself, saving time and money. These models use remote keyless entry (RKE) systems that can be reprogrammed at home. The process involves synchronizing the remote transmitter with the vehicle's immobilizer ECU, engine control unit. You'll use a specific sequence of ignition cycles and button presses to achieve this. Note that while DIY methods are generally effective, success can vary by model year and condition of your vehicle, and some situations require professional help. Begin with preparation. Ensure the vehicle is unlocked and the ignition key works. Test or replace the fob's battery to avoid failures. For the programming sequence, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Press the lock or unlock button on the fob multiple times, such as 5 times, to enter programming mode. Next, cycle and confirm. Turn the ignition off, then on, repeating this until the fob syncs. Program additional fobs individually. To exit mode, after programming, turn the ignition off. Test the fob's functionality from a distance by locking and unlocking the doors. Key considerations include precise timing within 10 to 30 seconds. For 2004 to 2006 models, you may need to cycle the driver's door lock with the key. If programming fails, consult a professional.